Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to create a blog in Strikingly. First, log into your Strikingly account and navigate to your site editor. From there, you will easily find the option to add a new section. Select Blog from the available section types to integrate it into your website. Then, pick a design that best fits your brand's aesthetic. This initial setup is quick, usually taking less than 5 minutes. Now that your blog section is ready, it's time to create your first post. Click the Add New Post button to open the editor. Here, you can type your article, insert images, and embed videos to make your content visually appealing. Remember to craft a compelling title and use relevant tags to improve discoverability. A well-structured post keeps readers engaged for longer, often increasing read time by 25%. After drafting your post, take a moment to customize your blog settings. You can manage comments, organize posts into categories, and even schedule future publications. Always preview your post to ensure everything looks perfect across different devices, like mobile phones and desktops. Once you are satisfied, hit the Publish button to make your content live for the world to see. This step is crucial for reaching your audience. To maximize your blog's reach, actively promote your new posts. Share them across your social media channels, like Facebook and Instagram, to drive traffic back to your site. Encourage your visitors to subscribe to your blog for regular updates, building a loyal readership. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Consistent promotion can significantly boost your blog's visibility and engagement over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.